Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. So our topic today is subspace. So objective here, verify all conditions of a subspace and then determine whether a given set is a subspace of a vector space V. Okay, so what is subspace? Okay, so let the set W be a subset of a vector space V. Okay, so kita ada satu set V. Okay, so yang besar ni. So dalam dia kita ada subset. Okay, so this V is the vector space. So the subset inside this one. So we need to check whether it is a subspace of V or not. Okay, so then W is called the subspace of V if W is itself a vector space under the addition and scalar multiplication on V. Okay, so to check whether this subset inside the V is a subspace of V or not, so we need to check these three conditions. Okay, so we have three conditions, but actually usually we just only check the condition B and C only. So yang A ni tak perlu pun tak apa. Okay, so a subspace of vector space V is a subset W. Okay, so subspace of a vector space V is a subset W of V. Okay, so W tadi subset dalam V that satisfy the following condition. So first is the zero vector of V is in W such that vector V plus vector zero vector is equal to vector V for all V element in vector space V. Okay. So ni tak payah check sebab dia dalam vector space V lah. So yang kita nak check yang ni dalam W, dalam subspace tu. Okay. So if two vector U and V element in subspace W, then U plus V also must be inside the W. If V, and then the second condition, if vector V element in W and K is any scalar, then the multiplication of the scalar and the vector V must be inside the subspace W. Okay, so example. Okay, so example is one. So let's say W is a subspace with the condition that A is equal to B. First component and second component are same. Okay, so W ni adalah subspace in R3 with the condition of first component and second component are same. Okay, so tunjukkan, show that W is a subspace of R3. Okay, so in order to show this W is a subspace or not, so first we need to so we need to choose two vector lah. So let U, vector U, which is equal to U1, U2 and U3 with the condition U1 is equal to U2. Okay, so first component is equal to second component. Kita ikut ciri-ciri subspace yang dekat dalam soalan ni. And then second vector which is V is equal to also same, kita buat benda yang sama. So V1, V2 and V3 with the condition first component is equal to second component. Okay, so next. Okay, so first condition. Okay, so we have two vector U and V. Okay, so for the second condition, the addition of two vector must be inside the W. Okay, so vector U plus by vector V, which is equal to U1, U2, U3 plus by V1, V2 and V3. So it is equal to first component plus first component, so U1 plus V1, and then second component plus second component. Okay, so U2 plus V2, and then third component plus third component. Okay, so u1 v2 u plus vector v. So we have this one, the first component, and here is the second component, and this one last third component. Okay, so setelah kita campurkan, kita akan ada first component which is u1 plus v1, and second component which is u2 plus v2. Okay, so check whether this u1 plus v2 is equal to u2 plus v2. How to check? Okay, so how to check? So first we take this one. Okay, so u1 plus v1. Okay, so u1 just now from the first one, from this one. Okay, so from 1. Okay, so from 1, u1 plus v1 is equal to u1 is u2 and v1 is v2. Okay, so u1 plus v1 it is equal to u2 plus v2, which is equal to second component in vector u plus vector v. Okay, so setelah oleh kerana dia sama, since it is same, okay, so u1 plus v1 is equal to u2 plus v2. So therefore vector u plus vector v is element in subspace W. Okay, condition 1 is satisfied. And then we check for the second condition. Okay, so condition number 2. Okay, so for the second condition, so we do k multiply with vector u. Okay, so nak pakai vector v pun boleh, tak ada masalah. So we have k times u1, u2 and then u3. Okay, so you will have here ku1, ku2, ku3. Okay, so from first, daripada yang pertama, ku1 is equal to k times u1 is equal to u2. Okay, so sama dengan second component here. Okay, so it is equal to second. Okay, so same as in second component in k times vector u. So therefore k times vector u is inside the subspace W. Okay, so therefore condition number 2 is satisfied. Okay, and then buat conclusion. So W is subspace of R3. Okay, so this one. Next example. Okay, so yang ni contoh bukan subspace. Okay, so determine whether the set W, this one, with the condition x1 such that x, any real number, is subspace of R2 or not. Okay, so first we need to let two vector which is u is equal to. Okay, so first one is the variable, any real number. So you can put here u1 lah. Okay, so variable. And then second component is 1. So second component dia 1 lah. And then vector v, which is equal to v1 and 1. Okay, so yang x ni any real number. So kat sini pun kita boleh letak apa-apa variable. Dekat vector v ni pun kita boleh letak apa-apa variable. Okay, u with the condition u one element in real number. and V1 also element in real number. Okay, so check condition 1. Okay, so U plus V, which is equal to U1 1 plus V1 1. So it is equal to U1 plus V1, and then 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, so from the first one, this one, U1 V1 is real number, U1 plus V1. So U1 plus V1 meaning that real number plus real number. So real number plus real number yield to the real number. Okay, so real number tambahkan dengan real number akan menghasilkan real number. So therefore for U1 plus V1, it is satisfied as real number. But for the second component, we have 2 here, but the condition for the subspace W, this one, the second component must be 1. Okay, so since the second component is not equal to 1, so U plus V is not element in W. Therefore, W is not subspace for R2. Okay. Okay, so another example. Okay, so determine whether the set W is equal to this one. Okay, so subspace of W, subset W is equal to this type of matrices with the condition first component plus second component, so A plus B is equal to double of the fifth component, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 2 D, and A, B, C, D is any real number. Okay, so determine whether this W is subspace of M3 by 2 or not. Okay, so to check whether it is subspace or not, so first we need to let two vector. Okay, so U1 which is equal to vector U which is equal to U1, U2, 0, U4, U5 and 0, and another vector which is V is equal to V1, V2, 0, V4, V5 and 0. Okay, so with the condition for U, vector U, the condition is first component plus second component is equal to double of the fifth component. And here for the V also same, vector V. So first component plus second component is equal to double of the fifth component. Okay, so check for the condition 1. Okay, so vector U plus vector V, which is equal to U1, U2, 0, U4, U5 and 0 plus V1, V2, 0, V4, V5 and 0. Okay, so it is equal to first component plus first component, so U1 plus V1, second component plus second component, 0 plus 0 is 0, fourth component plus fourth component, and fifth component plus fifth component, and last one 0 plus 0 which is 0. Okay, so for this product, okay, so the addition of these two matrix 2 vector. Okay, so we need to check the first component plus second component is equal to double of fifth component or not. Okay, kita kena tengok. Okay, so check. So from this one, number 1 okay, so from 1 U1 plus V1 plus U2 plus V2 is equal to U1 plus U2 plus V1 plus V2. Okay, so U1 plus U2 just now, U1 plus U2 which is 2U5 plus V1 plus V2, so V1 plus V2 which is equal to 2V5. So which is equal to 2 multiply with U5 plus V5. So which is equal to the fifth component. So bersamaan dengan 2 darab fifth component. So U plus V element in W. Okay, so next check for the second condition. Okay, so condition 2, K multiply with vector U, so which is equal to K U1, U2, 0, U4, U5 and 0, so which is equal to K U1, K U2, K times 0, 0, and then K U4, K U5 and K times 0 is 0. Okay, so next, okay, so we need to check whether the first component, this one, plus second component is equal to double of the fifth component or not. Okay, so from the first one, daripada yang pertama tadi, okay, so from first, KU1 plus KU2 is equal to, since here K and here K factor out, so you will have K U1 plus U2. Okay, so U1 plus U2, this one, from the first one, this one, U1 plus U2 is equal to 2U5. So K times by 2U5. Okay, so if you can see here, 2 times by K, which is 2K, and then U5. So it is equal to double of the fifth component. So therefore K times by vector U is element in W. Okay, so this one satisfied. Okay, so for the first one satisfied, and second one, second condition also satisfied. So therefore W is subspace. Okay, so subspace of M3 2. Okay, so another example. Ini example vektor yang berbentuk polinomial pula. Okay, so determine whether the set of W, this one, okay, so the polynomial of this one with the condition first element times by second element A times by B, or ataupun saya boleh sebut coefficient of X multiply with coefficient of X square is equal to 1. Okay, so syarat dia coefficient X darabkan coefficient X kuasa 2 adalah 1. Okay, with the condition, another condition A, B, actually another one which is C. Okay, element in real number. Okay, so check whether this subspace of P3, okay, so this one, where P3 is the set of polynomial of degree 3 or less. Okay, so P3 ni adalah polinomial berdarjah 3 ataupun kurang. Darjah 3 ni lah kuasa X paling tinggi adalah 3. Okay, so first we need to let, as usual, so let vector u which is equal to, macam mana kita nak ubah ni? Okay, so X kuasa 2 dengan X kuasa 3 tu jangan kacau. So we kacau yang A, B dengan C. So vector u which is u1x plus u2x square, ataupun tak nak pakai u, pakai P lah. Okay, so P1 ataupun P lah. Okay, so P is equal to P1x P2x, alamak, tapi nanti confuse dengan ni. Okay, pakai Q je. Okay, so vector Q which is equal to Q1x plus Q2x square plus Q3x cube, with the condition the coefficient of x which is Q1 times with coefficient of x square which is Q2 must be equal to 1. And then another vector which is, let's say, S. Okay, so S which is equal to S1x plus S2x square plus S3x cube, with the condition coefficient of x S1 times coefficient of x square which is S2 must be equal to 1. Okay, so this one number 1. Okay, so condition 1. Okay, first condition, bukan condition 1. Okay, so condition 1, so vector Q plus vector S which is equal to Q1x plus Q2x square plus Q3x cube plus S1x plus S2x square plus S3x cube. Okay, and then collect x with x. Okay, so we have x here and x here, so therefore Q1 plus S1 plus x square with x square, so we have Q2 plus S2, and then x cube with x cube which is Q3 plus S3. Okay, so this one we need to check the condition. Okay, so just now condition is coefficient of x multiply coefficient of x square must be equal to 1. So we need to check this one, coefficient of x multiply with coefficient of x square, it is equal to 1 or not. Okay, so from 1, okay, so daripada 1 yang tadi, so Q1 plus S1 multiply with Q2 plus S2, so it is equal to Q1 times Q2. Next man, Q1 times S2 plus S1 Q2, and then S1 times S2. Okay, so we have here Q1 Q2 from 1, Q1 times Q2 which is 1 plus, so this one Q1 S2 plus S1 Q2 plus S1 S2 from the 1 is 1 which is equal to 1, so which is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus Q1 S2 plus S1 Q2. Okay, so bersamaan dengan 2 tambah ni ada lagi, so kita tak tahu yang ni, so this one we can conclude not equal to 1. Okay, so dia tak sama dengan 1. Okay, so therefore the condition number 1 not satisfied. Okay, so not satisfied. Okay, so tak muat. Okay, so tak muat, saya tulis sini lah. Okay, so therefore W is not subspace of P3. Okay, so maaf dah tak muat so, saya ingatkan satu space je muat sebab dia bukan subspace. Okay, so satu condition kalau dia tak satisfied, so tak payah nak check lagi satu. Okay, so terus dia bagi tahu dia bukan subspace. Okay, so another example. Okay, so determine whether the set of this one with the condition of coefficient of x square must be equal to coefficient of x plus by constant a plus by 1. And a, b, c is any real number. Okay, so determine whether this W is a subspace of P2 or not, where P2 is the set of all polynomials of degree less than or equal to 2. Okay, so polinomial yang berdarjah 2. Okay, so ni lah. Highest power of x is 2. So, okay, so that's why it is called as polynomial of degree less than or equal to 2. Okay, so same as previously. So first we need to let Q, nak pakai U dengan V pun tak ada masalah, boleh je. Okay, so let Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. Okay, so vector Q plus Q3x square. Okay, so this one the condition, third element, okay, so coefficient of x square, which is c, so here is 3, is equal to constant Q1 plus, so b, which is b coefficient of x, so here coefficient of x is Q2, and then plus with 1. And then second vector s, s1 plus s2x plus s3x square with the condition coefficient of x square is equal to constant s1 plus coefficient of x s2 plus by 1. Okay, so ini. Okay, so check for the condition 1. Okay, so vector q plus by vector s, so which is equal to q1 plus q2x plus q3x square plus s1 plus s2x plus s3x square. So it is equal to q1 plus s1 and then plus, okay, so x with x, so meaning that q2 plus s2, and then plus x square with x square, so which is q3 plus s3. Okay, so we need check for this one. Condition 1 is 1. We need to check this one. It is equal to first this one constant plus by coefficient of x plus 1 or not. Okay, okay, so from 1, okay, so kita ambil tu coefficient of x square, so which is q3 plus s3. So q3 just now is q1 plus q2 plus 1, and then plus s3 is s1 plus s2 plus 1. Okay, so if you add q1 plus s1 plus q2 plus s2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so this one it is not equal. Okay, so kalau dia vector space dalam W, condition dia must be this constant q1 plus s1 memang dia ada, plus coefficient of x q2 plus s2, okay, so memang dia ada, only here 2, but if it is satisfied the condition of subspace, here must be 1. Okay? So sepatutnya 1, tapi kat sini 2. Okay, so therefore this condition is not satisfied. So W is not subspace for subspace of P2. Okay. Yeah, so another example, this one. So determine whether the set W is equal to this one with the condition constant A multiplied by coefficient of X is equal to -2 is a subspace of P2. Okay, so kita nak check yang ni. Okay, so first let vector Q which is equal to Q1 plus Q2X plus Q3X square with the condition, okay, the constant A. Okay, so here is Q1 times by B, which is coefficient of X. Here is Q2 must be equal to -2. And then another one which is S, vector S. So S1 plus S2X plus S3X square, such that constant, okay, so constant S1 times with coefficient of X, here coefficient of X is S2 must be equal to -2. Okay, so first check condition 1. Okay, so this one number 1. Okay, so condition 1, vector Q plus vector S, so which is equal to Q1 plus Q2X plus Q3X square plus S1 plus S2X plus S3X square. So we have here this one constant. Okay, so constant tu yang tak ada X lah. Okay, dia nombor sahaja. So Q1 tambah plus S1, then plus coefficient of X with coefficient of X, so Q2 plus S2 X, and then plus for X square, which is Q3 plus S3. Okay. So next we need to check the constant. Okay, so constant A times with coefficient of B, it is equal to -2 or not. Okay, so from 1, okay, so the constant, this is Q1 plus S1 multiply with coefficient of X, which is Q2 plus S2. Okay, so expand, you will have Q1 times Q2, and then Q1 times S2, and then plus S1 times Q2, and then times with and then plus S1 times S2. Okay, so saya sambung kat bawah. Okay, nanti untuk soalan yang ni saya padam lah. Okay, so it is equal to, okay, so from 1 this one, Q1 times Q2 is -2, and then plus Q1 S2 plus S1 Q2 plus S1 times S2 is equal to -2. Okay, so -2 minus -2, which is -4, plus Q1 S2 plus S1 Q2. Okay, so this one is not equal to -2. Okay, so if this W is the subspace of P2, so the condition, this one constant times by coefficient of X must be equal to -2. But for this one, the addition of these two vector, okay, so the constant, this one constant times with coefficient of X, this one coefficient of X is not equal to 2. Dia tak sama dengan 2. Sebab bila kira-kira tadi dapat negatif 4 tambah Q1S2 plus S1S2. So therefore condition 1 not satisfied. So W is not subspace of P2. Okay. Okay, so another example. So determine whether the set W is equal to this one, to A, B, C with the condition second component plus third component is equal to 0 is a subspace of R3. Okay, so first let vector U, which is equal to 2U1, U2 and U3 with the condition second component, which is U2 plus third component, which is U3 is equal to 0, and then vector V, which is equal to 2V1, V2, V3 with the condition V2 plus second component plus third component is equal to 0. Okay, so check the condition 1. Okay, so vector U plus vector V, it is equal to 2U1, U2, U3 plus 2V1, U2, V2 and V3. Okay, so first component plus first component, 2U1 plus 2V1, and then second component with second component, U2 plus V2, then third component with third component. Okay, so it is equal, so this one factorize because here 2 and here 2, so you have 2U1 plus V1 and then U2 plus V2, then U3 plus V3, and then we need to check the second component plus third component is equal to 0 or not. Okay, so from 1, U2 plus V2 plus, okay, so second component plus third component, U3 plus V3 is equal to U2 plus U3, and then V2 plus V3. Okay, so U3 plus U2. Okay, so U2 plus U3 from the first one, this one, U2 plus U3 is equal to 0 plus V2 plus V3, so V2 plus V3 it is equal to 0, so the answer is 0. So satisfy the condition. And then another one, actually here also you need to check. Okay, so this one is 2A, so the first component is multiplied by 2, so this one first component also multiplied by 2. Okay, so sometimes dia buat trik dekat sini ni lah, so korang kena hati-hati. Kita shock je check yang ni, okay, betul dia satisfy, tapi yang ni tak check. Okay, so sometimes dia buat trik dekat sini, okay. Tapi yang ni satisfy lah sebab dia kalikan dengan 2, sini pun kalikan dengan 2. Okay, so betul. So U plus V is element in W. So condition 1 satisfied. And then we check for the second condition. Condition number 2. So for the condition 2, k multiplied by vector u, it is equal to k 2u1 u2 and u3. So it is equal to 2ku1 ku2 and ku3. Okay, so this one first component multiply by 2. Okay, so sama macam yang tadi. Okay, so next we need to check second component plus third component, it is equal to 0 or not. Okay, so from 1, so yang atas ni tadi 1 ni, second component ku2 plus third component ku3 is equal to, okay, so we can factor out k. So k multiplied by u2 plus u3. Okay, so from the first this one, u2 plus u3 is equal to 0. K times 0. So therefore it is equal to 0. So the second condition satisfied. So k times by vector u element in W. Okay, so saya tulis atas. Therefore W is subspace of apa tadi? Okay, so therefore it is subspace of R3. Okay, so R3 tadi dalam soalan ni. Okay, so subspace of R3. Okay, so next question. Let S equal to a square such that a be power element in real number. So determine whether S is a subspace of M2 by 2 and the set of all 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, so kita nak cari sama ada S ni subspace untuk M2 by 2. Tapi mana condition dia? Condition dia letak dalam ni, dia tersirat dekat dalam ni. Okay, so kalau kita tengok kat sini, first element is A, second element is A power of 2. So meaning that, okay, so maksud tersirat dia, second element is the first element power of 2. Okay, so first what we need to do, so let U be equal to U1, U2, 0 and U4. Okay, so with the condition U2 must be equal to U1 power of 2. Okay, saya tengok kat sini, second element dia adalah kuasa 2 daripada first element. First element dia adalah A. So di sini A kuasa 2, first element power of 2. And V is equal to V1, V2, 0 and V4. Okay, so with the condition V2 is equal to first element power of 2. Okay, so check for the condition number 1. Okay, so vector U plus vector V, it is equal to U1, U2, 0, U4 plus V1, V2, 0 and V4. So it is equal to U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, 0 plus 0, so 0, and U4 plus V4. Okay, so for this U1 plus V1, so we need to check this second element is equal to the first element power of 2 or not. Okay, so how to check? Okay, so this one, number 1. Okay, so from number 1, U2 plus V2, it is equal to U2, so U2 is U1 square and V2 is equal to V1 square. Okay, sama tak dengan U1 plus V1 square? Okay, So this one u1 square plus v1 square. Okay, so but u1 plus v1 square, actually this one is equal to u1 square plus 2u1 v1 plus v1 square. Macam mana dia dapat ni? Okay, so macam mana dapat? So korang expand u1 plus v1 times by u1 plus v1. So expand 1 per 1. Okay, so nanti korang akan dapat yang ni. Okay, so if you can see this one is not equal to this one. Okay, u1 plus v1 square is not equal to u1 square plus v1 square. So therefore this one not satisfied. Okay, so condition 1 not satisfied. Okay, so therefore W is not subspace of M2 by 2. Okay, so next, that S is equal to this one with the condition first element plus second element is equal to double of the third element. So determine whether S is a subspace of M2 by 2 or not. Okay, so first we need to let U is equal to U1, U2, U3, U4 with the condition first element plus second element is equal to double of the third element. And another one, vector V, which is equal to V1, V2, V3 and V4 with the condition first element plus second element is equal to double of the third element. Okay, so condition 1. Okay, so vector U plus vector V, it is equal to U1, U2, U3 and U4 plus V1, V2, V3 and V4. So it is equal to U1 plus V1 and then U2 plus V2, U3 plus V3 and U4 plus V4. Okay, so for the U plus V, vector U plus vector V, we need to check first element, this one. So the first element plus second element is equal to the double of third element or not. Okay, so kita kena check. So kita kena check menggunakan 1. Okay, so from 1, okay, so U1 plus V1, so we take this one plus U2 plus V2. Okay, so first element plus second element is equal to U1 plus U2 and then plus V1 plus V2. Okay, so U1 plus U2 is equal to 2U3 and then plus V1 plus V2 is equal to 2V3 and then factor out number 2. So you have 2U3 plus V3. Okay, so U3 plus V3, this one is the third element. Okay, so therefore condition 1 satisfied. And then check condition 2. So condition 2, we have K multiply with U. So we have K, U1, U2, U3 and U4 Okay, so it is equal to KU1, KU2, KU3, and KU4. Okay, so we need to check the first element plus second element is equal to the double of the third element or not. Okay, so using 1, KU1 plus KU2 here is equal to, okay, so factor out K, U1 plus U2. Okay, so which is equal to K. Okay, so just now U1 plus U2 from 1. Okay, so daripada 1, U1 plus U2 is 2U3. Okay, so U1 plus U2 it is equal to 2U3. So therefore it is equal to K times by 2, so 2KU3. Okay, so it is double of the third element, 2 times KU3. So therefore this one condition 2 satisfied. Therefore W is subspace of M2 2. Yes, so I think this one the last. Okay, so the last question. Yes, so that's all for our lesson today. So thank you and Assalamualaikum.